what's going on, you guys? It's CJ Brand here, and today we are back once again with a brand new video for you guys today. Now today we're going to be talking about this camera company called Sirui. They are about to drop their first set of autofocus lens, pretty much targeted towards people like us. And when I say people like us, that is camera users that use APS-C size sensor cameras or the Super 35. So for my Sony FX30 users, or Sony a6700 users, Fuji users, and I believe a Nikon as well, these lenses are gonna be dope. Now, Sirui has been, out for quite some years now. They've been dropping a lot of anamorphic lenses and also cinema lenses, but now, like I said, we got the freaking autofocus lenses, and wow, I'm surprised at the price point and the freaking diameters of these. Now, we're gonna get three different lenses. We get a 23mm, 33mm, and then also a 56mm. Now, these lenses are all gonna be super fast. All three of these lenses are gonna be coming at a freaking fast aperture of f1.2. Yes, f1.2, and that's why I say price point of these three lenses are right now going to be at $350, but for the early bird special, you can pick them up for $299. All you need to do is visit Siri's website right now. That's S-I-R-U-I, not S-I-R-I. But if you visit their website, you may be able, to sign up for their early bird and pick up these lenses for $299, or you can get all three plus a travel case for $849. Now, you may ask, hey CJ, you have a Canon R5, so what are you doing, purchasing these APS-C lenses? Well, I got a Sony FX30 now, and this is the visual from my Sony FX30. So when these lenses drop, trust me, I'm buying them. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna buy them. I've been knowing about them for quite some time, but I think I'm gonna pick up the 33 first, then I may opt in to get the 23 and the 56 at a later time, as I develop my need for it. But yeah, man, this is gonna be crazy. Now, another question that some people are having about them is, why are they dropping the 23, 33, and 56? These are set to mimic the full frame lens size of a 35, a 50, and an 80. So it's pretty dope. We're gonna get the same exact, pictures, I guess, basically, the same exact, depth of field. So if you get the 33, you're gonna have the same quality as a 50mm would. The same thing for the 56, you have the same quality as the 80. So I'm quite, I'm kind of confused about it, but at the same time, I think I may be cool, because once again, the biggest thing is it's an f1.2. I cannot wait for these to drop. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Will you be picking up these, these beautiful lenses? Because I think I am. We get two colors, white and black. Let me know what you guys think right now. Peace.
I cherish the moment, it's high stakes. I used to spend time on my time pay. The way speaker thumping and vibrate. She jumping my bones, make it gyrate. Say bit for a crib, it's a fireplace.